Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Kitchenaid versus Cuisinart food processor, where we'll get to know which of the two is better and find out more about their differences. Hey, let's begin. So the main difference between Kitchenaid and Cuisinart food processor is the design. Kitchenaid food processors have a more retro and stylish design, while Cuisinart food processors are more modern and functional in their appearance. Therefore, in this category, both appliances are equally good as design is subjective. Capacity. Kitchenaid food processors generally have larger capacities than Cuisinart models, with some Kitchenaid models offering up to 16 cups of processing capacity, while Cuisinart models typically have capacities ranging from 7 to 14 cups. Regarding capacity, Kitchenaid food processors are better. Motor power. Both Kitchenaid and Cuisinart food processors also offer powerful motors, but Kitchenaid models generally have slightly more powerful motors than the Cuisinart models. Kitchenaid food processors typically range from 240 to 720 watts, while Cuisinart models typically range from 250 to 600 watts. Kitchenaid food processors are better in terms of motor power. Price. Kitchenaid food processors are generally more expensive than Cuisinart models. Kitchenaid models can range from around $100 to $600, while Cuisinart models typically range from around $50 to $300. Since Cuisinart models are more affordable, they are the better choice. Comparison table. From the comparison table above, Kitchenaid food processors have a retro and stylish design, larger capacity options, and slightly more powerful motors. Cuisinart food processors, on the other hand, have a modern and functional design, smaller to medium capacity options, and fairly powerful motors. In terms of price, Kitchenaid food processors are generally more expensive. Similarities. The main similarities between these appliances are that they can both handle a wide range of tasks, including chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, and mixing. And they're both generally easy to assemble, use, and clean. Also, both these appliances offer safety features, such as locking lids and non-slip bases, to prevent accidents and ensure safe operation. Verdict. So, which is better? Although both food processors perform their functions impeccably, Kitchenaid food processors are better thanks to their larger capacity and more powerful motors. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know what other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.